This portable TV is probably the most interesting one, in my opinion. It is completely waterproof. You can use it in the pool. It will float. Has a kickstand. Runs the Android 11 OS. The remote is all compatible. Has voice command. It is powered by its built-in battery. It is charging right now. I found out the battery is user replaceable. So if you open up this compartment, that's where the battery is. So it's not permanently built in, not like unserviceable like that. So the kickstand is quite strong. It's metal. The connection-wise, it has 3 ports: the DC 12-volt input, USB thumb drive input. So it's kind of looping its built-in media, and of course a TV tuner. So you can connect a regular TV FM antenna and be able to tune in live TV programs. Basically, the functionality is pretty much the same as the rest of the countertop or under cabinet TV above. Has touch sensitive buttons to switch source, mute, channel, selection, and volumes